Hello, good people. This is Tanya welcoming you on the channel just like that. And today I'm here with a video. It's a celebration video of Ganesh's arrival. So, literally, I have very little knowledge about this religion, but I literally just want to know more. And so I was just searching. With videos to learn more about your culture, about your religion. So I got this video. It's entitling Ganesh birthday celebration Indian Ocean with Simon Reeve. And yes, it's taken from BBC Studios. So without further ado, we will watch the video first. Meanwhile, you guys, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Allow me to play.
I'd arrived during one of the biggest festivals in the entire world. The annual
Massive
birthday celebration
crowd,
for
man.
the elephant-headed god Ganesh. For weeks and months before the festival, Hindu families buy or make statues of the god before carrying them as part of a huge procession down to the Indian Ocean.
All this is just a temporary installation, if you like, that will be taken down at the end of today. Wow.
Wow.
This is Ganesh.
Hindus believe that paying homage to Ganesh will remove obstacles to success. and
The
bring
idol
good
is
fortune over the coming
decorated
year.
so beautifully. Wow.
Vikas Vasudev would be my guide on this leg of my journey in Western India.
Ganesh is
People
a
are
visitor.
celebrating
10 days. He
wholeheartedly.
visits the people of the earth. And then the way you bid farewell to guests, you bid farewell to Ganesh and put him back to the earth. So this is the all-inclusive nature of this festival.
Okay.
This lady who is just receiving a blessing or giving a blessing there, she's Muslim. This is a Hindu god, but this
This
festival
was what
brings
I was
everybody
thinking
in
as
the city
well.
and the country
Because
together.
he was was a burqa.
For the finale of the festival, even this huge Ganesh is carried through the streets towards the sea.
So they're chanting in Ganesh's name.
There's
Praying.
nothing short of miraculous. Ganesh is on the forklift truck and he's on the move.
We join the
Nothing can
devotees as hundreds
stop
of other Ganeshs
festivity
flooded in
mood.
from
It's
different parts of the
raining, but
city.
people are enjoying in this while too.
Lots of Ganeshes on this festival from the big.
The man Steven Reeve
Traditional
is
Indian festival.
equally enjoying the
Set to a very modern
festival.
beat.
Wow.
Totally surreal scene there.
He's so happy to be in this crowd.
Elderly Indian lady. Following.
Actually, it's true. Festival just unites people. It's not about whose festival it is. It's brilliant, man.
The monsoon winds made this city
Kids
one of
to
the great
elder
Indian
people,
Ocean trading
everyone are
spots.
just dancing, enjoying.
That
Wow.
same monsoon delivers this deluge.
It's raining. It's getting a little bit dark.
But nothing can stop.
Now, the festival's really beginning. This is an absolutely extraordinary.
Exactly.
Feels like the whole of Mumbai is out on the beach. So they're starting to spray Ganesh with water over there, and then he's going to be immersed into
So
the
they are
sea.
going to emerge it into the water now.
Right, look, everyone go. The Ganesh is going into the
Such
sea.
a huge idol,
There he
man.
goes into the water to be immersed and returned back to nature.
Ganesh is the god of wisdom, prosperity, good fortune. The festival is hugely popular with the millions of people who flooded into this great city in recent years, fleeing rural poverty and seeking a better life.
We had a very long and magnificent, wonderful day.
It's all about people's belief and how they just pray so. Wow, I would say a great video by BBC Studio, and I really like Simon Reeve, the way he was just enjoying and sharing the moments with us. It was brilliant, and I really think that festival just unites people. It's just simply based way to just conjugate people, because I think here also when it's about Eid or it's about any puja, because we also see the puja pandals, so then we got to see that all kinds of people just bring closure to celebrate this. So I seriously like this thing about the festival, and I think the video is captured very well, and he was also enjoying. See, it was the best part, because it was, I don't know about his religion, but how he was enjoying, it was like he was just getting know, and he's new to this culture. So it's good, and I literally found this video very beautifully portrayed, very beautifully. You can make yourself understand if you are new to this culture. So yes, a very nice video, and I just want to know about you guys also, that how you celebrated your Ganesh Chaturthi and this festival. And yes, it's pretty much nice. But one thing I like about this video is when they were. I mean, two women were just dancing. It's just a festival, just elder and the older one, everyone just seeks blessing wholeheartedly for betterment and for prosperity. So it's a nice message in this video. So recently I have actually learned about Ganesha, his how he got his elephant head. So I just I had this thing in my mind from long, and I just cleared it out. But in this video, two questions just brought in my mind, that is, when you guys just submerge Ganesh in the sea or in the water, I mean, what's the meaning behind this? I literally want to know. And also things, when you guys just emerge this, does it dissolve in the water, or you guys just clean it after some days? So these two things just pop up in my mind while watching this video. So I literally want to know and clear my thoughts about this. Please share me what is the two reasons behind this, and answer these two questions of mine. Also, you can share how you celebrate this festival with your family and friends. That's pretty much it. If you like this video of mine, don't forget to give it a like, share it with people as much as you can, and please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and stay with us. So till next video, stay safe, stay tuned with Just Like That. Keep sharing your love on us. Thank you.